Hope you're doing awesome. Miss you a ton. Okay, what do you call a pig that does karate? A pork chop. All right, so finishing up Unit 4 today, working on fractional sides. What do I mean by that? I mean we're finding the area or finding a missing side length where the side lengths use some form of a fraction. All right, let's get started.
Alright, so I have two different problems here for us to work on. The first one is my front door, and I have the width and the length, but we need to find the area. The second problem is going to be my TV, and I have the area, and I have the width, but we're going to need to find the length. Okay, so we all know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So the length is 3 1/4, and the width is 6 5/6. So before we can go any further with multiplying, if we have mixed numbers, we have to turn them into improper fractions. So these are mixed numbers and we need to go ahead and turn them into improper fractions. The way you do that is you take the denominator or the bottom number and you multiply it by the whole number you have. So 4 times 3 is 12. Sorry, that made this better. So 4 times 3 is 12. So then I'm going to take 12 and I'm going to add it to 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So this 3 1/4 as an improper fraction is actually 13 fourths. So then I'm going to keep my multiplication sign. I'm going to do the same thing here. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, and then 36 plus 5 gives me 41. All right, so this is actually 41 over 6. Okay, from here, we just multiply straight across. So 13 times 41 is 533. And 4 times 6 is 24. So now I'm going to turn this into, so 24 can go into 533 22 times. So then I will have 5 left over. Okay, and I keep the 24. So don't forget your label. We're dealing with feet. Since we took feet times feet, we have feet squared. So the area of my front door is 22 and 5/24 of a feet squared. Okay, so now we're going on to my TV. So we're given the area, one side length, and we're trying to find the missing side length. So I'm going to set this up kind of like we did here. However, we have that 9. Ooh. We're trying to find the length. We have the width is 2 1/3. Okay. So this actually looks like something we did in Unit 6. If I draw my line, I can find what my L is. The 2 1/3 is multiplying the L. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we need to divide both sides by 2 1/3. Okay. That will then give us what L equals. But now we actually have to do the math. Remember, when you are dividing fractions, keep the first number, change division into multiplication, and flip your second fraction. So we have 9 4/5 divided by 2 1/3. Just like over here, we have to turn these into improper fractions. So 5 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is 49. So this becomes 49/5, and then change into multiplication, Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So this is 7 thirds. All right, now I'm going to multiply across. 49 times 7 is 343. 5 times 3 is 15. All right. So, ooh, whoops. Nope, sorry guys. Hang on, hold up. Not right. I changed it. I did not flip it. So, I would get this as 7 thirds, but I need to flip that into 3 sevenths. Whoops, that's on me, guys. I knew something wasn't right. So I get 147 over 35. So I'd get the fraction 4 1/5. So we have to remember our label. This would actually be, let me try and, I'll actually just do this. 4 1/5 a foot. All right. So I have 2 very similar problems. You're going to find the area for one, so you're going to be multiplying, and then you're going to be finding a side length, so you're going to be dividing. Make sure you set your problems up similar to how I did. You don't want to accidentally divide maybe like 2 1/3 divided by 9 4/5 and do it the opposite way. All right, if you guys have any problems, let me know. Email me. Besides that, I have nothing left. Don't forget to put your answers into the Google form attached. Bye. Have a great day.